Standard 7th subject Science. Chapter number 3, Properties of Natural Resources. In our previous video, we had studied about properties of air, atmospheric pressure, wind, condensation, humidity of the air, dew, scattering of light, temperature regulation and transmission of sound. Now we are going to study properties of water. What are the states in which water is found? Water occurs in 3 states. Liquid as in plain water, solid as in ice and gaseous as in water vapor. What inference will you draw from the picture alongside? Children, you can see the 3 pictures. From this, what inference you can draw? We can infer that water can pass through a small holes or seep through a very small gaps or cracks. Water occurs in liquid state under ordinary condition. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape, but it has a volume. It can seep through small holes, gaps or cracks. When water freezes into ice, it expands and its volume increases. Solid ice becomes lighter than the original liquid water and hence ice floats on water. These are the properties of water. To understand the properties of water, let us do some experiment. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water, mark the water level on the bottle and keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Open the freezer up after a couple of hours and observe. You will see that the water has changed into ice. Now, note the level of ice. You will find that the ice level is higher than the water level before freezing. So, what can you understand from this? We understand that as water freezes to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. On freezing, the water is expanding. Now, why does water expand when it freezes? As water freezes, the hydrogen bonds push the water molecules further apart from each other, increasing the intermolecular space, resulting in expansion. On freezing, how much increase in the volume of the water? In what proportion it's increase? When the water freezes, the volume of the ice that is formed is approximately 9% larger than the initial volume of water. But no, when the ice melts back to water, the volume is exactly the same as the initial volume. Means when water freezes into ice, its volume increases approximately by 9%. And when it melts back to the water, its volume is exactly the same as the initial volume. Now let us do the second experiment. Take a bucket of water, drop many different kinds of article in it. Make separate list of the articles which sink in the water and those that float on it. Here you can see sharpener, pencil, eraser, ruler, compass, spoon. So we can see that the spoon, eraser and the compass is sink in the water and pencil, scale is floating on the water. Now why is this so? Because the object which is lighter, it will float, and the object which is heavier will sink in the water. Object made up of metal will sink in the water. The object which is lighter will float on the water. Now we'll do another experiment Take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. Observe what happened. Why do we see the ice float on water? As ice is lighter than water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. When the water freezes, that is, when it is transformed into solid state, its volume increases. Therefore, the density of the ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice floats on water. The density of the ice is less than of water. That's why the ice floats on water. The interrelationship between the volume and mass of a substance. Density of water. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeter. Hence, density is equal to gram per cubic centimeter. Hence, gram per cubic centimeter is the unit of density. Usually, when the temperature of the substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases, but the water is an exception to this rule. Anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases and the volume decreases. But the water is an exception to this rule. When water starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquid. This happens at normal temperature. But when its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. Therefore, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases, but its volume increases. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. For all other substances, when the temperature is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases, but the water does not show this. This is peculiarity of water. Experiment number 4. Take 2 big glasses of water, add 4 to 5 spoonfuls of salt to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely. Now place a potato in the water in the second glass. The potato will sink. Now, why this happen? Is the density of the water in the glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato float in that water because of the increased density. When we add salt to the water, the density of water increases. That's why the potato floats in a salt solution. In the above activity, the salt dissolves in the water in a glass. That is, it disappears. What happens when it disappears like this? When the salt dissolves in water, its particles spread in water. Slowly, they become smaller and smaller. Ultimately, they become so small that they cannot be seen. That is, they mix completely with water. This is what is called dissolving. Means the substance that completely dissolves in liquid is called as a soluble substance. Example, common salt dissolve completely in water. Dissolving salt causes increased density of water. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolve. Example, water. Solution means what we get when the solute dissolve in the solvent. Uses of water according to its property. Water is used for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from the height is used to generate electricity with the help of a generator. Water is a good coolant and is used in a motor vehicle to control the temperature of the engine. Many substances are soluble in water. Water is a universal solvent. Water is used as a solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuff, and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body, such as digestion, excretion, etc. Water is useful for cleaning purposes such as bathing and washing clothes. So, this was all we studied about properties of water. In our next video, we will study about properties of soil. Thank you.